KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, no surprise, it's going to be awfully cold as we head into our Mardi Gras with the cold air ongoing. And in fact, we may actually see the coldest readings so far this winter, even though we're kind of out of meteorological winter. But let's take a look at the numbers. I did some number crunching tonight, and the coldest reading so far this winter wasn't in winter, it was in fall, and that was on November 15th when we hit 30 degrees. This is for Lafayette. We hit 31 degrees on December 11th, and then in January we had a couple of nights and mornings where we had temperatures below freezing, and then in February we didn't have any freezes. So to date, only 4 freezes. For tomorrow and also for Wednesday morning, we may see readings near 30, and we might see our coldest reading so far this winter. One of these nights it may go 29, so we'll be watching that. But overall, compared to most winters, another mild one for Acadiana, but on any given year we can average anywhere between 5 freezes and 25 freezes. So it can be, there is a lot of variation to our winters. Very hard to forecast ahead of time, but we'll take the mild winter overall. Now, as we take a look at the radar satellite composite, we have that upper level disturbance coming on through that produced showers and even some wintry precipitation. We'll zoom on into Acadiana and still showing maybe a little light sleet in the air, but probably not a lot. This is evaporating before it reaches the ground. Dry air in place, so most of the showers are done with. Still clouds to deal with, and the clearing line right about here, just about to enter Vernon Parish. So the first parishes that are going to clear out was going to be across central Louisiana, and that's where we have our hard freeze warnings tonight, where temperatures will get down into the mid to upper 20s, drop below freezing probably about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and stay that way till about 8 or 9. So that's why there's a hard freeze warning here. Protect exposed pipes just in case. I don't think you need to run the water for sure. Freeze warnings elsewhere with temperatures upper 20s to lower 30s for a few hours, just the plants and pets, and we'll have to do it again tomorrow night. Hard to believe. First week of March, and with a late Mardi Gras, we're dealing with winter temperatures. Current readings in the mid 30s. Temperatures haven't dropped a whole lot all the way up through Fort Polk and Alexandria, but notice Natchitoches where it's cleared out at 32, Shreveport at 30, so it is chilling down out there, and the wind's going to stay up overnight tonight. Wind chills still in the mid 20s. Some spots it's not being calculated correctly, like in rain, but it's chilly out there, and the wind chills by tomorrow morning low to mid 20s. The sky's clearing out. Here's the high resolution rapid refresh model indicating partly cloudy skies by tomorrow morning. Temperatures right around 30. Feels like temperature at 22, and then we're going to see a mix of sun and high clouds, so it's not going to be a completely sunny day, but more optimistic on seeing at least partly cloudy skies, and the cirrus may thicken up at times to make it mostly cloudy, and then it thins out as we head into the latter part of the afternoon into tomorrow night. Clear skies tomorrow night. Temperatures drop nicely because we'll have lighter winds as well, and that will allow temperatures to drop more quickly. Going ahead into Wednesday, mostly sunny skies with some high clouds late in the day. Temperatures getting into the 50s. Thursday, back to the more cloud cover. Temperatures lower 60s, and here we go for Friday. We'll get up to 70 degrees, maybe an isolated shower. Best rain chances coming on in Saturday, and maybe a severe weather threat, and it looks like perhaps central Louisiana on northeastward. Watch how the storms react as they move off to the north and east. That is a little bit of an indicator of a severe weather threat. And then as we head into Sunday, more clouds, but rain chances should be down. So the weekend, a half and half weekend, with Saturday not looking so good with pretty good rain chances. Near term, it's all about the temperatures. Mid 20s tonight. Your wind chill in Opelousas will be about 20 degrees at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Upper 20s to lower 30s on the I-10 corridor. The wind chill in Lafayette at 22, as we mentioned. And then along the coast, upper 20s to lower 30s. Wind chills here just as cold, 23, 24 degrees down along the coast. Then after that cold start, we warm up into the mid 40s by noon. Still wind chills in the 30s through noon, but then we get into the upper 40s to near 50 right around 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then tomorrow evening, finally, the winds die down, but temperatures chill down, upper 20s to lower 30s once again. And then, as we mentioned, mid mid-50s as we go into Wednesday. Wind chills dropping into the lower 20s tomorrow morning. That's the way it's going to look in the morning, so bundle on up if you're heading on out for any events. Breezy and cold, protect the plants and the pets. The clouds are going to be thinning late, 30 the low in Lafayette. And your Mardi Gras forecast. Kudos for you, anyone going out for any of the careers out in the country. Some limited sun. Temperatures gradually get into the 40s during the afternoon. We'll go 50 the high tomorrow. And then as we go into the next 5 days, warming up back into the mid-70s Saturday with a pretty good chance of rain and storms. Clocks spring forward, so it's a shortened weekend and we get a little short-changed on our sleep. And then going into next week, plenty of clouds and some rain chances for quite a while. Don't see a nice mild March pattern with sunshine and the birds are singing and all that other good stuff for quite a while.
February was tough.
It's lingering into March.
All right. Thanks, Rob.